Go ahead.
Alright guys, so I did a little bit of homework on the laptop. I changed the injectors, the injector system, and hold that right. And then I added 15% fuel. Let's give it a work. We're gonna go make some gaskets right now and then go from there.
Turn off or what? What? What?
What?
Nothing to follow.
Yeah,
So
we need to get that sticky shit.
Go get it behind the
Get it out of your
truck.
hands.
No. It's behind the truck. We have to make another hole in that lid.
Huh?
Who's riding with you?
I know, right?
Ryan, probably.
I'm already in the back.
Why you gonna follow what?
No. Oh, wait.
Hey, nigga, am I supposed to turn this shit off?
It's breaking up too bad, wait. We're gonna have to change the plugs on it. Right there. We're good. Got a cop. Alright, you ready? They going to safety? They look like a cop, huh? Cooling temp here? Fuck, you fucked up.
That cooling bean came out.
Good work, dude. 60 and 49 seconds. 8 mile, 866. Let's go change the plug on this one and then we'll give it a Yeah, we definitely need to change the plug. Hey, Fernando, what's up? out that pipe though. It's starting to change colors. Pretty nice. Pretty sweet. It looks nice. Maybe I'll redo this ugly one. Yeah, and see what comes out nice. Oh, shit. Check out that intake, boy. I tell you what. Mocking it up right now. See if it's going to work. Alright, guys. Now that we're back, we got some fresh new plugs in. These were the plugs that we were beating up and kept testing on and all that. And they were good for a little bit, but I think they're already bad. So, and I had just put them in with the stock gap to see if I could figure out the issue. But now that we got some new plugs, I'm gonna go ahead and gap them back to 18 the way I had them before, because it was working. It was working wonderful like that. Right now it's spittering and sputtering and all that. So we're gonna go ahead and gap these right here. Yeah, we're waiting there like dummies.
Yeah. I seen pull over on the side like fuck. I didn't know.
I know you guys were like, "Hey, you coming back?" I was like, "Hell no, I'm already over here changing the spark plug." It didn't hook for shit, huh?
Fuck no. It didn't.
I just just blew the tires off. I had to pedal it and pedal it. I was like, damn.
So I didn't think spark plugs were.
Well, I'm gonna have to turn it down more right there or something. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, for now, it's spark plugs because it's spitting and sputtering. Still got you. So.
Hey, but you looking fuel like a motherfucker though.
Well, in the back. Yeah, well, it's the first hit because it's full.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So we got the new spark plugs in. We got everything back on. I'm gonna go down with this. And then I'm gonna get on the two-step and see how it works. Hey, hold this! Look at these guys over here all fighting.
Good job, he's getting to the back. You gonna try right here?
Yeah, I'm not gonna burn out. I'm just gonna get on the two-step. See what I'm getting on.
Qué bonito salió la güey.